Hello again and welcome back to the Life Kawaii and my third Stitch Fix unboxing. So without further ado, I'm just going to go ahead and rip into this and we'll get started. Alrighty. Fast and painless to open. Okay, so I will show you, just in case anybody new is watching this, they do send you a return little package here, so everything is super easy. Whatever you don't want, you just put back in and then log into your account online and tell them what you're keeping and what you're not keeping. Ooh. Okay, the first thing, I see a scalloped edge, which I'm very much a fan of. A little black dress, an LBD with a very pretty, looks like maybe off the shoulder scalloped edge, and it's nice and stretchy, and it's definitely a mini dress. Alright, so that is the first thing, and I will also say I will do a Stitch Fix try on after I show you guys everything I got too, so you can see what it looks like on me. Second thing is a sleeveless high collar lace top, and it looks like it has, yeah, two cute buttons back here. That's pretty. I could wear that to the office. That's a good choice. And something else in black. This is maybe a jumpsuit. Yes. Okay, it's a stretchy black jumpsuit. There you go. Little spaghetti straps gathered up here in the front. How stretchy is stretchy? Well, it's pretty stretchy. And it's in a very nice weighted knit material. This feels nice. Is it lined? It is not lined. It's a little see-through. We'll see. Sometimes you put on things that look see-through and then they don't actually look see-through on, and sometimes you very unfortunately put on things that don't look see-through that surprise you. And we have, I'm just going to call this army colored, an army colored green, feels like leather jacket. What is this made out of? It says RD style, made in China, size small. Let me see if I can find a fabric tag in here. If it's not leather, it feels nice, and it is lined. Let me see. Polyurethane. Okay, so it's made of polyurethane, which means it's warm. It's not as expensive as leather, but it still feels pretty good, and I like the weight. Whew. And last but not least, we have a brown skinny pant. Are these stretchy? A little bit. They're a little stretchy. These feel nice. Like a velvet kind of corduroy feeling to them. Okay, so I will try these on. I'll probably try some of these together. I think these jeans will actually look pretty good with that coat. And the jumpsuit, obviously, I will try on by itself. And I will pair that red lace top with something interesting I have in my closet. So, let's do the Stitch Fix try on now, and you can see what everything looks like. so that was everything that I had. Now I'm just looking at the little slip of paper that comes in the box that tells you how much everything is, and I'll let you guys know what I'm probably going to keep and going to send back. Let's just grab things and go through one at a time. This was my favorite thing in the box, which oddly enough, my first Stitch Fix box that I did, the stretch jeans were also my favorite thing, and they're my favorite thing again this time. So these stretchy brown velvety sort of corduroy-esque jeans, that's a lot. Anyways, they feel like all of those things. These were really awesome. They feel really good on. They're fitted, but they are stretchy enough that they were comfortable. I had them on with the jacket whenever I did the try on, so I am probably going to keep those. I like them a lot. And I had them on with heels, but I did briefly try them on with flats too, and they are the perfect hem length for me as well, so probably just going to keep those. Oh, I guess I should tell you how much those were. Let's see. Blouse, leather jacket, Hampton skinny corduroy. They are $68. So for a good stretch corduroy jean, I think that's actually a pretty good price. I'm happy with that, and that I think is just fine for those. The next thing I have here is the jacket. I actually thought the jacket looked really cool. I am going to send it back, but not because I don't like it. I do like it, but I have a real leather jacket in black that is almost the exact same style as this one, so for me personally it just doesn't make sense to have two, but this was a really cool jacket, and I think you can tell whenever I'm wearing it in the video that I feel pretty good in it. But I am going to send it back, and I will let you know how much the jacket is. Okay, jacket. Rhonda faux leather jacket. Oh, they're saying in brown here. This definitely I would not call brown. I would for sure call it green, hunter green. It's $78. So it's not real leather, but it is a very good quality polyurethane, and it did feel a lot like leather, so I actually think that's a great price for that jacket. Ooh, okay. The jumpsuit. The jumpsuit is very comfortable, and as I anticipated once I got it on, it was not translucent, even though if you hold it up to light it does look like it is, but it's not once it's on. I'm sending it back, not because I didn't like it, once again, but it was just too long. So even with my 4-inch stilettos on that you see me wearing in the video, it's still about 2 inches too long. So I'm going to send it back. And I mean, for me, since I sew, I don't really want to buy something if I have to hem it myself unless it's ridiculously cheap. If I'm going to hem something, I'd almost rather just pull out one of my sewing patterns and just go ahead and sew something for myself. But it was super cute. Okay, that jumpsuit was Adalia knit jumpsuit in black, $58. Also not a bad price for that. So moving on here, the cute red shirt. Okay, so I actually like the cute red shirt, however, it is made in nylon and polyester, and if you guys have subscribed to my channel and watched my numerous other videos, you know how I feel about polyester. Unless I'm paying $5 for something at Shein.com or buying a skirt from Romway or something like that, I'm not going to keep it. So the shirt, the actual design itself is cute, and the lace actually feels alright, but the inside of it, that polyester on the inside, is just not for me. So goodbye plastic shirt. Let's see, the polyester shirt, the February lace overlay blouse in red is $38, which I think is crazy overpriced for a polyester shirt. So if I want a polyester shirt, I will go to Shein.com and I will pay $5 for it. Okay, black dress. This was very cute. The little black dress. I'm probably going to keep it too. I am also a sucker for scallops. Any kind of hemline or collar that isn't just straight across or something completely standardized and normal is always eye-catching to me. So I love that this has a scalloped trim, and off-the-shoulder dresses and designs have been in style here in New York for well over 2 years now, so everybody loves them here. And it's obvious why. I mean, they're super chic. Yeah, so I'm probably going to keep that. Let's see, the deciding factor will be how much it is. The Vandalier off-the-shoulder scallop something something something, because it has little dots in black, is $58. Now, for $58, the only other question I have is, what is this made out of? It feels pretty good. Whoa. Wow. There we go. Okay. What are you made of? Rayon, nylon, and spandex. Okay. That I can deal with. That is okay. So, probably keeping this. Probably keeping the brown corduroy pant, which I loved and looked awesome. So, these other things are going back, keeping those things. I have read online a lot of other people say that when you keep trying Stitch Fix, your stylist gets better and better at finding things for you. I do think of all of the Stitch Fix boxes that I've had so far, this has by far been my favorite. So if my stylist is watching this, thank you, brava. If you're male, bravo. If there are multiples of you, bravi tutti. Good job. This was my best box. And just as an extra side note for any of my channel subscribers, my next sew along that you guys can follow along with is going to be this culotte sort of little pant pattern that I found at a vintage sale. So I know the last sew along I did was a little bit too hard for some of you. It was an intermediate level pattern, so I don't want to do just all hard patterns or all easy patterns, so I'll try to switch back and forth. So we did a hard pattern. Let the next sew along be something easy that everybody can follow along with. Sound good? And then also for another pattern that I'm going to be doing, I won't be doing a video for this, I'm just sewing it, but I'll do a review of the pattern so that you can see how I like it, is this Butterick, Retro Butterick, 5136. And it's a formal dress with a little over jacket here. So I've actually already almost completed the dress. I need to finish sewing on the straps here and then finish up this little over jacket thing. So I will do a review of how I liked that pattern and of course model it for you once it's done. So thank you so much for watching my Stitch Fix unboxing, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If you don't want to subscribe, then at least do me a favor and post a comment or share this video somewhere. Send it to somebody who likes Stitch Fix or sew-alongs, and then just let them know what I do here at The Life Kawaii. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will see you shortly. Bye!